Hi guys, this is Chris Emsley. I am your instructor for Online 136 this semester. I just wanted to introduce myself, say hello, so you know there is a person here to actually help you with this class, to help get you through, and also give you just a quick tour around our class in Ivy Learn, because that's where you need to go, that's where all our information is. So when you log into our class in Ivy Learn, this is what your homepage should look like. I have it pulled up here. And I would say the first most important thing you need to do is click on syllabus. You need to go in and read this syllabus. I'm not going to take the time to read it for you. You guys can all read it yourselves, but make sure you look through here. My contact information is in here for if you need to reach me anytime in the semester. Information on how your grade will be calculated, very important. Information on how you will take your tests in this class, also very important. So make sure you get in there and take a look at the syllabus. That would be step one. Another thing that's very important in this class is our MyMathLab software. MyMathLab is where all our homework, tests, and quizzes will be this semester, so you need to make sure you have access to that software. Right over here on the left-hand side, you'll see a MyLab and Mastering link. You should access MyMathLab through Ivy Learn through this link. Do not go directly to a Pearson website or a MyLab website, okay? Make sure you go through this link so it's set up properly for our class. I've already set mine up, so I have a thing that says Open MyLab and Mastering. You'll have a button to click here, but you can go ahead and click on that button and try to step through the setup instructions, or you will find setup instructions in our first module, which is what I want to show you next. The information for this class is organized into modules, and you'll see right here on your home page we have 8 modules. Every module is 2 weeks of content, okay? So in weeks 1 and 2, we will be covering module 1. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Once you click on a module, most of them are set up the same. On this first page, they're also reminding you to read the course syllabus, and then there is a syllabus quiz, so you'll need to do that in the first week. Here are our objectives. We actually break the modules down into A and B, so module 1A is what we'll do during week 1, 1B is in week 2. So you scroll down to the bottom, and there's a next button hiding behind my video. There it is, next. So those are our objectives for module 1. Then here's where we get to our content. Here are the reading assignments. These are the 2 sections we're going to be covering in 1A. Here are some videos that cover the topics in 1A. Scroll, scroll, scroll all the way to the bottom. That's everything for this week. And then also some additional videos. I think the ones at the top are actually the better ones. Click next. Once you look through the content, then you're ready to do your homework. First thing you have to do this week is the syllabus quiz. There was a link for that earlier too. Then you'll want to go into MyMathLab and do your homework. On your homework, it's not timed. You have an unlimited amount of time to finish it. You can work on each problem multiple times, so if you miss a problem, you can try it again. I think that's about it. There's all kinds of help menus available in the homework. Once you finish the homework, you'd go to this next page, and you'd want to take your quiz. The quiz is timed. The quiz, you get 60 minutes to complete the quiz. And if you've gotten at least an 80% on your homework, you have earned a second attempt on the quiz. So if you don't do as well as you like on the first time, you want to make sure you've done well on your homework, and then you can go in and try again. It's just your highest score that will be recorded and will count in the end. Hit next again. And then this week we do also have a discussion board. We don't have a discussion board every week, but we do have one in the first few weeks, and you'll want to make sure you go in here. This is just where we introduce ourselves and get to know each other a little bit. So that's another activity for the first week. And that's it. That brings us to module 1B, which is what you will cover in the second week of class. So again, I access those modules from our homepage with these icons right in the front. Now let's say you're in the middle of module 1 and you just want to jump straight to your homework assignment. You can also access your modules on this link over here on the left. Just click on modules, and then you'll be able to see them all listed out, and you can scroll down and you can say, oh look, I already looked at the learning activities. I want to go straight to my homework. You can click on that module and it'll jump you straight there rather than having to go next through all the pages. Back to our homepage. Another important thing I'd like to point out, I will be posting an announcement at the beginning of every week. In the announcements, I'll just give you some important tips and reminders. So please make sure you take a look at those every week to make sure you know what's going on in the class and know what all our assignments and everything will be. The other thing I wanted to point out on this, I added it right here on front and center on the homepage. Sometimes when students take an online class, they feel a little isolated and they don't know where to go to get help. So I made a little page right here, where to get help. Ivy Tech offers tutoring. There's help available within my math lab. There is an online tutoring service. This is not through Ivy Tech, but it is still free to Ivy Tech students, called tutor.com. You can contact me. And if anyone else has any other great ideas, I'll add them here to this page so everyone can know about it. But I just want you to know that help is available. You guys need to reach out and ask for it. That's it. If you are ever looking for something in Ivy Learn and you don't know where to find it, feel free to shoot me an email or a text and let me know. I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. And I think that's about all I have to say. Good luck this semester.